To enable WhatsApp notifications on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, first of all, we're gonna swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and we're gonna go to Settings. Now, once you open Settings, then we're gonna choose Notifications, and then here in Notifications, we should be able to go to App Notifications. Now, of course, over here, you can find WhatsApp as long as you have it installed on your watch, and then you can allow or, of course, revoke the access to send you notifications. And besides that, for example, if you don't have the WhatsApp messaging app installed on your watch, you can also use your phone. I mean, if you have WhatsApp on your phone and the phone sends you WhatsApp notifications to your watch, you can also manage that on your phone. So if you go to the wearable app, you can go to Settings over here, and then we're going to choose Notifications. Now in Notifications, go to App Notifications. And then here, after scrolling down for a little bit, you should be able to find Phone Apps section, where you should be able to find the WhatsApp messaging app, as long as you have it installed on your phone, of course. And then you should be able to just tap on the switcher here to, of course, enable or disable those notifications on your watch. Leave a like and subscribe.